Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to the channel. Today's video focuses on a common issue with Gree Inverter AX, the F0 error code. This error often indicates a gas leak, and we'll walk you through diagnosing and repairing it, in both Urdu and Hindi. So, your Gree Inverter AC is showing an F0 error? Don't panic. This usually means the AC has detected a gas leak. The first step is to confirm this. We'll need a technician for this. The technician starts by connecting a gauge manifold to the outdoor unit's service valve. This manifold helps measure the refrigerant pressure inside the system. After connecting the gauges, the pressure reading is taken. In the case of a gas leak, the pressure will be near zero, confirming the issue. Now, the technician has to find the leak. They will pressurize the system with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is an inert gas, meaning it won't react with the system components, making it safe to use for leak detection. The system is pressurized to a safe level, and then the technician starts looking for the leak. A common place for leaks is at flare nut connections. These connections are made when the AC is installed, and can sometimes loosen over time due to vibrations or improper installation. The technician carefully examines all flare nut connections, looking for any signs of refrigerant leakage, such as oil stains. If a leak is found at a flare nut connection, the technician will repair it. This usually involves tightening the nut or, if the flare is damaged, re-flaring the copper pipe. Re-flaring involves using a special tool to reshape the end of the copper pipe to create a new, tight seal. Once the leak is repaired, the technician will vacuum the system. Vacuuming removes any moisture and non-condensable gases, such as air, that might have entered the system during the repair. These contaminants can reduce the AC's efficiency and potentially damage the compressor. A vacuum pump is connected to the service valve, and the system is evacuated for a specific duration. After vacuuming, the final step is to recharge the AC with refrigerant. In this case, we're using R410A, a common refrigerant for modern AC systems. The technician will charge the system by weight, following the manufacturer's specifications. Too little refrigerant, and the AC won't cool properly. Too much, and the compressor could be damaged. The refrigerant cylinder is placed on a digital scale to accurately measure the amount of refrigerant added. The technician refers to the AC's specifications to determine the correct amount. Once the correct amount of refrigerant has been added, the service valve is closed, and the gauges are removed. Finally, the technician starts the AC and checks its performance. They will measure the airflow, the cooling capacity, and the system pressures to ensure everything is working correctly. If the AC is cooling properly, and the pressures are within the normal range, the repair is successful. Remember, working with refrigerants and AC systems can be dangerous, so it's always best to call a qualified technician to do the work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.